out on some really, really good trades is because they don't look to the left to trade the right, drawing their charts with their mind or even with the lines themselves. What confuses me is it looks like it checks. Well, Mindy, on your question, see, it hadn't checked here though. See, it thrust down. It has not been back there. So this to me is the sweet spot right there. And I look to the left to trade the right. See, I go with this one here. Then you look and see if there's another one. Well, the next one's here, but they've already checked it. That's really shallow. And then look over here and you'll see the lightning. Let me draw it real quick again. See the lightning swing? Remember where I had my line drawn? Right there. See, I drew that without seeing that lightning. Okay. Now remember, we're not thrust traders. We are not thrust traders. We're going to take a 10-tick trade and see if, okay. Now remember, we're not thrust traders. We are not thrust traders. We're going to take a 10-tick trade and see if my analysis is actually going to work. We'll find out. Always look to the left to trade the right. It makes a huge difference. Now, let's see. They haven't checked here. They haven't checked here. They may not check here because that's way above mid-band. So I'm going to redraw my sweet spot now to mid-band. Look to the left to trade the right. You've got a swing there. You've got a swing right under here. There's your predictor telling you where it's going to be. And I'm going to take a 10-tick trade. Just see if we can get it. Always look to the left to trade the right. It makes a huge difference. Now, let's see. They haven't checked here. They haven't checked here. They may not check here because that's way above mid-band. So I'm going to redraw my sweet spot now to mid-band. Look to the left to trade the right. You've got a swing there. You've got a swing right under here. There's your predictor telling you where it's going to be. And I'm going to take a 10-tick trade. Just see if we can get it. I like an ABC. There's an A and a B. Remember, we got 19 and a quarter. Let's see if we can get $200 more. Is that my line right there? Not yet. Haven't touched it. See if we get 10 ticks. Going a little higher, not a big deal to me because you do have another line right over here. See it right here? Probably going to check there. I'd probably even, see, there we go. We just rolled it mid-band. Drawing your charts. Now, right now, your lightning 1 and 2 are both long because, see, you've got a low, a high, a higher low, and a higher high. So those went green. See, this is your overall trend right here. Okay, but notice that you did have a thrust down and a retrace. When was this swing identified? Viper traders, you know. When did this become a downtrend for sure? Well, our software caught it early. But even looking to the left to trade the right, you had a high, you had a low, you had a lower high. But when was this lower high established? Is exactly when it took out that swing with a good closed bar or two. That's what I usually look for. Okay. So now you're doing a zigzagging down, aren't you? So let me ask you a quick question. Anybody that's in the room here? Could you use tools like this that could actually help you to see these